This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the CS Fundamentals International course. I'm on course 3, and the lesson is maze. Get me a sunflower using the fewest number of blocks possible. So we've already used 1 block here. They want us to use 5 or less. So with how big this map is, we're definitely going to use a repeat. I know that just by looking at it. So here's my repeat block. I'm not sure of much else. Let's try just move forward and, I don't know, maybe a 3. And what will happen is 3 times in a row, we hit win, run, repeat this. Move forward, zoop, move forward, zoop, move forward. And we'll move forward 3 times. And then let's have my guy turn to the right. So we'll do this 3 times. And after we do it 3 times, we'll turn right once. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That looks a little too close for me. So maybe we're only supposed to do this 2 times. And then turn right. Okay. Oh, I see something maybe. Yep. Okay. So we have a few options here. We only have 1 block left. So if I try to do something like this, I'm over the block limit. So they're being tricky, I think. Instead of trying to do this, I can show you just by writing it out myself. Let's say we don't have a block limit. Move forward, turn right, and we'll be here. Move forward, turn right, and we'll be here. Then move forward, and we can turn right after we eat the flower. It won't matter. And if you look, all of this code is exactly the same for each side. All we have to do is turn right 1 extra time, and that's okay. We could do that at the end. So if I get rid of all of that, put in a repeat loop, drop all of this stuff in here, instead of writing it all 3 times, I can put a 3, and now this repeat loop makes the computer do it 3 times. Hopefully. Zoop, zoop. Did we get there? Ta-da! Awesome. Ooh, that one was tricky. All right, let's keep it up.